My name is Kyle. Just want to give a referral for Alan with ACP Storm Repair. We got referred to Alan from one of our friends. We had some storm damage from a pretty big hailstorm last year, and he's just been great. All the little things, all the big things. The roof was repaired right when we needed to. The house looks great. He painted everything. Even little things he did really nicely. When they delivered the roof, we had a dog and a kid, and he went up, he put all this stuff on the roof to make sure that our dog didn't cut his feet, our kid didn't cut his feet, and it was raining at the time, so just a lot of little things that he really did a nice job on. He also remembered all the little things that we needed, fixing up a couple of small things on the back, and just doing a great job handling the insurance as well. So if you guys ever have any damage to your house, you're going to be very happy with Alan and all his services.